The type of therapy called ACT, or acceptance and commitment therapy. This type of therapy helps people live and behave in ways consistent with their personal values while also developing psychological flexibility. ACT can help you recognize and address all of the many challenges that arise from any attempts to suppress, manage, or control emotional experiences. ACT can help you accept things as they come without evaluating or trying to change them. It doesn't seek to stop or change your unwanted thoughts or feelings, but rather encourage you to develop a new and compassionate relationship with those experiences. Most of these skills are developed through mindfulness experiences that you can practice both in and out of your session. Remember that this is only an overview today. It is not meant to be a substitute for professional advice, medical treatment, medication, diagnoses, or mental health therapy. Remember to always seek the advice of your qualified mental health provider or your physician if you have any questions regarding your treatment options.